damn classy. Bougie, ratchet, classy. Why ask me? Up and down, up and down, up and down. Hello everyone, Callie Stormdoll here, and today we're jumping into the world of Bratz, courtesy of MGA. Now MGA has teamed up with this clothing brand called GCDS, and it says the girls got dressed up in Italy. Now this doll was being sold at Target. It was also being sold at the GCDS website, which both of those options sold out very, very quickly. So as you can see, at the top it says the girls with a passion for fashion. The box is kind of like a holographic feel. It has CDCS and then Bratz. And it has some really cool designs. Like it has trees looking spooky all around them. It looks like there's a time cat in the tree. It looks really good. Sasha has her own logo, the Bratz logo. And then you have Sasha right next to her artwork. Now, instead of continually to blabber on, why don't we get Sasha out of her packaging and see what this doll is bringing to the e-party? We are back and we have Miss Sasha out of her packaging, and this packaging is so pretty. Like, let me see if you guys will see this. So on the back of the box, there's artwork of Sasha, Jade, let me move her, Yasmin, and then there's Chloe right there. So right here, this is what Sasha's purse looks like. Her gold comb, and this is her stand, like this big block piece, and it did come with this clear clip. I can tell the way she was sewn into her packaging and the way everything's like tied up that these weren't necessarily meant to be played with value. So this is Sasha. Now her braids, piece of weave. Yeah, so the way she has lots of ties and ribbons, but her braids are nicely rooted. You know, it's a nice root. You can see a little piece of scalp. But you know, when any of us gets braids, you can see a little piece of scalp. I have to say I love this jacket. This jacket is everything, honey. Yes. This jacket, it's almost worth the $60 by itself. Yes. This is everything, honey. Now her outfit for me is a little bit basic. Now the jacket, it's given. But the outfit is a black jumper and boots. And then she has, of course, the corset at the top. Now, to be fair, this is a style. The black jumpsuits, a lot of the industry girls wear, and then they just dress it up with a nice boot and so it is in. But this is a close-up look at the boot. She has a gold heel. The heel is as sharp as a knife, honey. Watch out. Yes. Watch out. On the side it says GCDS. Then as we go up, we can see she has the sheer cutout on the side of her pants. Then we go up to her corset, which is like a tie around. And this is actually clamps. On the side, it has the dangles coming down. Then it has like the seashell outline leading up to the grappling hooks on the side. That looks really good. And a black jumper does cover up her top area. And it also goes up to a choker set. And if we look at her on the sides, you can see she does have earrings in. One says Bratz, and then the other one says GCDS. And as far as her makeup goes, you can see her lip is very pretty. She has on two colors for her blush, which is nice. She has a reddish tone, and she also has more of a brown tone. She has her baby hairs going, brown eyes, yellow eyeshadow, looks like a blend of some type of gray. And her eyebrows almost look lavender. Kind of interesting. So she's coming with lots of different looks, and she's bringing it within the runway. No, her nails aren't painted, but yes, she is articulated. As far as these dolls go, she does have articulation in her head. She's articulated at the shoulder, the elbow, and the wrist. Nothing in her midsection, but she does have the bend and snap knee. which is really, really cool. So I'm so happy to have this Sasha. Now, you know that recently it's been talked about by a lot of different people that the Bratz will be back. Well, in the mentioning of the Bratz trying to find a comeback spot, not too long ago, Bratz did a re-release of the original Sasha and favorite Hayden Patinere looks that they're going for. And it's interesting because each one of these girls has a different screening. But this one is Sasha when she had blonde hair and she had some black mixed into the back, and I really like this look, the dirty blonde look with the black in the back. I really like this look for her, the Lil' Kim Sasha, because this one I felt like was giving me Lil' Kim vibes. She had the baby pink hair with the blonde tinsel highlights. Not only is blonde in there, but if you guys look close enough, you can see that it's some white blended in as well. And that's what I'm talking about. This is my homegirl Sasha giving them Queen Bee. So that's Sasha. This hair may be a mess, but the color is everything. This is what we're focusing on. Because the colors, I want MGA to get back to colors. I know everything is about being, neutral and whatever. Get back to the color campaign. Colors. Yes, and I love this color on her. So, of course, her favorite animals are rabbits. So, this is her. And last but not least, because I didn't want to overdo it, we have her with green hair. So yes, this is Sasha with her brown hair, and she does have her platinum green highlights. Now I have lots of different colors, but I have Sasha with blue hair, auburn hair, complete blonde, and this and that. So it's lots of different versions of her, but I just brought these out to kind of allow MGA to get a reminder of Sasha and her looks. She doesn't always have to have these brown tones. Like the 3 of her recent release, like all 3 of these are her most recent releases, and they've all kept her kind of monotone. But Sasha, from what I know from the hood. So let's just bring the color campaign back to my homegirl Sasha. Do you think this is a cute doll, especially for any Bratz collectors out there or anyone who wants to get into Bratz? This is a cute little collection. $60. I could easily see this have maybe at the most being $29.99, because besides this doll you get, and I think $29.99 is a good price, but I know because it's a collaboration piece and everything. And it's cute. It's giving. It's definitely, she gives me Janet Jackson vibes. Yes, that's what she giving me. Rhythm Nation. Yes, we are the rhythm and we are the nation. Yes, go off, Janet. Yes, go off. Well, while Sasha back there giving her Janet Jackson tribute, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, simply subscribe. Always leave me a comment below. And remember, I will see you guys in my next video. Sasha, what you want to tell the people?